Good morning, my dear students. Students, today in SST, we are going to talk on the topic our beautiful country. You already know that India is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Why? Because it has many landforms. Some places have mountains while some places have flat land. Some places are made up of rocky land also. So let us read about the different variety of landforms in our country. Hills and mountains. The highland with top ground is called a hill. The Vindhya range in central India and Nilgiri hills in South India are examples of hills. Very high hills with sharp tops are called mountains. Students, this is the picture of Mount Everest. Mount Everest is on the Nepal-China border. Mount Everest is the highest peak in Himalayan mountain ranges and also the highest peak in the world. Plains. Plains are the flat and level land. These are called plain. To the south of Himalaya lies the Great Plains of India. In the plains, summers are hot and the winters are cold. Rivers such as Ganga and the Yamuna flows through these plains. Also, the plain area is very much fertile for us to grow crops. That is why, students, you see, the most of the population of people living is in the plain area. We all live in plain area? Yes. Deserts. What is desert? It is a large area of land covered all with snow is called a desert. In southwestern part of India lies the Indian desert, is also called the Thar desert. It covers the large part of Rajasthan and this area is very hot and dry. Plateaus. What are plateaus? High land with steep side and flat top, just like a table. They have flat top and are higher from the ground. They are called plateau. The southern part of India is a plateau. The southern plateau is called the Deccan Plateau. It covers large area of our country. The region is surrounded by hill ranges on three sides. Also, it has very uneven, means unequal surface. The land is very hard and rocky. That is why it is less fertile than the plains. So, less plants can be grown here. The last landform is island. It is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Is called an island. In our country, there are two groups of islands in our country. Let's see. This is the picture of the island Andaman and Nicobar Island. This island lies on the east side in the Bay of Bengal. You can see this is a part of land which is covered from all sides by water. That is why it is called an island. This is the picture of another island, the Lakshadweep Island. This island lies on the west side, that is in the Arabian Sea. As you can see that the Lakshadweep Island have beautiful beaches. That's why many people come from all over the world and enjoy here. That is why it is a tourist attraction place. Thank you.